Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Hairvivi. Today I'm working with the Sierra permanent wave wig. So this is what it looks like, and this is what the construction of the wig looks like. As you guys can see, the wig came pre-bleached and it came with a pre-plucked hairline, so I really don't need to do anything to this wig aside from, you know, just install the wig. And also when it comes to the lace as well, you guys can see how good the lace looks. And the wig also comes with an elastic band, so you know you can adjust the elastic band to fit your head. So this is the Sierra permanent wave wig. You literally don't need to do anything to this wig. I'm sure I can even wet this hair as well to like define the waves a bit more, but yeah, you can straighten the hair obviously, and you can definitely curl the hair as well. And I feel like because the hair is already wavy, it would definitely hold curls pretty well. But I'm just gonna go ahead and install the wig and then we can go from there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and style the wig. There's not really much for me to do to this wig because it is a natural wave type of wig. Just to show you guys that this is a 13x6 wig, you can see the parting goes all the way to the back. You can literally part this wig wherever you like, as you can see, and like I said, it goes all the way to the back. And I love how soft and flowy this hair feels. Like the hair feels really soft. I'm gonna apply some wax stick and then go in with my hot comb. I'm going to take off my melt band. This should be done by now, so let's see. Honestly guys, there's really not much to do to this wig. I think I'm just going to try and fix the parting a bit more. I feel like it's too straight, so it's too straight for a side part. This was such a quick install. Honestly, this wig does not require for you to do anything to it because this is its natural state, and you can honestly wear the wig like this, or you can decide to add some curls, or you can decide to straighten the hair, but I'm gonna leave it like this. So this is the Sierra permanent wave wig, and I love this wig. I love the wave pattern. I feel like it's giving raw hair, natural wave type of vibe. That's what it's giving. So if you're looking for a wig that you can just pop on your head, glue it down, and you can get going and not have to do anything, then this is definitely the wig for you. So I'll definitely recommend this wig, and I think this wig is beginner friendly. Another thing as well is that the wig comes with a wig cap underneath. Like with the construction, it comes with a wig cap, so which means you don't need to apply any concealer, you don't need to try and make your parting stand out or anything like that, because it comes with a wig cap underneath, which is just so good because it just means all the work has been done for you. The wig came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, it came with a wig cap, so you just need to install the wig and you're good to go. You don't need to style the wig. It's basically ready to go, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.